Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Whoop 4.0 easy guide step by step clearly. To set up your Whoop 4.0, begin by unboxing the device. Take out the Whoop 4.0 band and the provided charger. Before powering on the device, ensure it is charged. Connect the charger to the band and plug it into a power source. Wait for the LED indicators to show charging status. Once charged, remove it from the charger and press the button on the band to power it on. Download the Whoop app on your Open the app and create a new account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your personal information. When prompted, select Set up a new device. The app will ask for permission to access Bluetooth. Allow the app to find your Whoop 4.0 band via Bluetooth. Once it finds the device, tap on the display to connect. You may be prompted to enter a pairing code displayed on the Whoop band. Input the code into the app to complete the connection. Set your band to the desired wrist position for optimal tracking. The app will guide you through a brief calibration process. Follow the prompts to configure your activity and sleep preferences. Complete the setup by reviewing your settings one last time. Congratulations, your Whoop 4.0 is now set up and ready to track your performance. Explore the app to fully utilize its features and settings. Keep your Whoop charged regularly for consistent tracking. You're now prepared to enhance your fitness journey with the Whoop 4.0. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.